works. We're gonna be using a bumblebee. We're gonna see how the bumblebee, like, if it flies up with this cup. It'll probably light on fire. I'll be in my dad's garage in a second. And then, Dad, hey, I just had to.
All right.
I had to do it.
All right, give me your little firecracker thing.
Oh, yeah.
What's it called?
It's called a bumblebee, small bee. It looks like, well, let me turn on my flash. Bam. Here's what it looks like. Looks realistic. I'm gonna turn it off. Flash off for this. It's gonna look awesome. It's gonna fly up with the cup, hopefully. Dad, just like quickly put it over it.
Alright.
Whoa!
Didn't fly.
Is it upside down or something?
No.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Oh, wait, alright, grab another one. Maybe it flipped upside down because I didn't put it upside down. Grab another one.
Alright. Alright.
Put it on the cement.
Alright. Alright.
Part 2.
Part 2.
See, it's not upside down.
So it's not upside down.
Oh shit, the wind's on fire.
Oh god. Oh god!
You gotta keep it on film.
It came for me.
I'm gonna light it.
It came for me.
Okay?
It came for me.
We'll make this one fly.
It came for me. Alright, fly, baby, fly! When birdies fly, alright. So,
You guys are
oh, Mom!
We're not doing anything.
You think? What about the? Nothing's.
Mom, it's recording.
No, but better move.
Mom, it's recording. No, move! It's recording, by the way.
These are little bumblebees. They don't catch anything on fire. They just fly for a second.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
So, do we have any more?
Yeah.
No, like any other different ones. No, we
That's
don't.
I didn't know that was not fixed. I fixed that.
This one?
Alrighty.
Well, the bed didn't work anymore either.
Let's try this again.
No, I just made it.
Alright,
Go.
try this again.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I got it. Now, see ya later. Boop-boop.